The Edmonton Oilers continue to face questions regarding their goaltending as training camp approaches, a position that became increasingly scrutinized following their second consecutive Stanley Cup Final loss. Despite management signaling intentions to strengthen the position, there is little indication that a trade or free agent signing will occur before camp begins. The goaltender market is thin, with most teams relying on inexperienced backups or steadfast tandems unwilling to break up a proven duo. James Myrtle of The Athletic highlighted potential options for Edmonton, suggesting they monitor teams struggling early in the season. Names like John Gibson of the Detroit Red Wings, Semyon Varlamov of the New York Islanders, Connor Ingram of the Utah Mammoth, Tristan Jarry of the Pittsburgh Penguins, and Elvis Merzlikins of the Columbus Blue Jackets were mentioned. However, each option carries limitations. Gibson has shown inconsistency. Talbot is nearing the end of his career, Varlamov has battled injuries, Ingram has yet to establish himself as a starter, and both Jarry and Merzlikins have struggled with consistency. Realistically, none of these options represent a significant upgrade over the current tandem of Stuart Skinner and Calvin Pickard. Until a more viable option emerges, Skinner and Pickard will shoulder the net-minding duties this season, leaving the Oilers with a blend of stability and uncertainty in goal. Their performance will likely dictate whether Edmonton can make another deep playoff run or face early postseason challenges. The team's ability to adapt and maximize the existing tandem will be key to sustaining their competitiveness. Meanwhile, in Montreal, speculation surrounds Carey Price's contract, with sources indicating a potential trade after September 1st. The 38-year-old goaltender remains on LTIR, and this season is the final year of his 8-year deal carrying a $10.5 million average annual value, with $5.5 million of that due as a signing bonus. Price's contract could attract rebuilding teams seeking cap flexibility, especially if the Canadiens include draft picks or additional assets to sweeten a deal. Potential trade partners cited include the Chicago Blackhawks, Seattle Kraken, Pittsburgh Penguins, and San Jose Sharks. Discussions have also considered pairing Price with natural centers such as Evgeny Malkin, Sidney Crosby, Ryan O'Reilly, or Mason McTavish to enhance the trade's appeal. Both situations reflect the delicate balance NHL teams face between roster construction and cap management, highlighting the strategic planning required to navigate the offseason successfully. Teams like the Oilers and Canadiens are carefully weighing options while monitoring market conditions and potential opportunities to improve, whether through goaltending upgrades or contract maneuvers. The coming weeks will reveal how these decisions unfold and impact the league's competitive landscape.